Beauty originates from our passion for work. Benefit grows from our continued focus on what is right. Virtue arises from the mutually beneficial process of creating value. Ignite passion. Adhere to the original intention. Always remain the same. Alpha Brass Controls Incorporated, founded in 1989, has been committed to manufacturing, R&D, marketing, and after-sales services in the commercial markets of control valves and thermostats. Ever since the time of establishment, we overcome every challenge and fear no difficulties. We solve problems with the best technology and customized services. Safety is the most important attribute of our products. Alpha Brass Controls Incorporated keeps abreast of the modern world and adopts state-of-the-art technology and equipment. With smart technology and equipment from European countries, we are able to provide high-quality products and services. Passion leads our staff to possess incomparable competence. This also forms the basis of mutual dependency and trust between company and staff, making our products highly reliable. Ignite potential. Core driving forces are innovation, technology, and marketing. Teams of academic scholars and professional experts create valuable innovations, from a single part to a series of products. Outstanding teamwork enriches our service spectrum and accumulates business stamina step by step. Our international staff has served customers around the world with the excellent reputation. We will expand overseas markets, share a vision with stakeholders, and establish a new milestone in company history. Ignite responsibility. Pursue A+ products and 100% safety. All our product series have successfully passed stringent international testing and verification standards. International safety certifications such as CSA, CE, AGA, JIA only meet our basic quality threshold. Customer satisfaction and approval is our ultimate goal. Alpha Brass Controls Incorporated strives to build up the strength of becoming an international brand. Insists on the principle of high quality. Adopts the most rigorous approach to realize our commitments to customers. Ignite hope. Cultivate and nurture many more industry talents. Through internal knowledge management and teamwork, development to sustain the company business. Devote ourselves to the education and culture development of society to fulfill corporate social responsibility. Actively organize global safety seminars on commercial kitchen equipment and construct a complete industrial ecosystem. Carefully implement each phase with the original intention always in mind. Accomplish an extraordinary vision with an ordinary heart. Alpha Brass Controls Incorporated always meet the needs of our customers. Together, we create an indispensable and trustworthy company in the global supply chain of gas components.